Hello dear friends and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for allowing me to be part of your journey. If you've clicked on this video today, maybe you need a little boost, a little bit of courage. Maybe you felt overwhelmed, maybe you felt disappointed. And maybe there is a dream that you would like to fulfill. And so I hope that today's message will help you. As I start this recording, I close my eyes and imagine myself standing here before a sea of potential, a constellation of shining stars waiting for their moment to illuminate the vast skies of our world. I see in your eyes the fire of dreams, the passion of purpose, and the fragility of doubt. You may wonder if your dreams are too vast, too ambitious, or too distant. You may hear voices, perhaps even your own, questioning, am I enough? Do I dare to dream so boldly? To those whispers of uncertainty I say, your dreams are the very essence of possibility. Every remarkable achievement, every era-defining invention, every moment that shaped the course of history began as a dream, as a thought, as a maybe that could work. Dreams, like seeds, might seem small and insignificant at first, but with nurture, with faith, with relentless pursuit, they grow into trees that stand tall, offering shade to weary travelers and inspiring future generations. But let me share a truth with you. The path to realizing your dreams will not always be smooth. There will be days of staggering doubt, nights so long they feel eternal, where hope seems like a distant flicker. But remember, it is in the crucible of challenges that character is forged, that dreams gain their worth. To chase a dream is to embrace both vulnerability and valor. It's to stand on the precipice of uncertainty and with a deep breath leap into the unknown. Every scrape, every stumble, every moment of despair is but a chapter in your grand tale of triumph. Wear them as badges of honor, for they are proof of your journey. Look around you. Among you might be the next great writer, whose words will move nations, the scientist whose discoveries will rewrite textbooks, the athlete breaking new records, the artist whose vision will redefine perspectives, or the leader who guides us into a new dawn. But regardless of the dream, know this: its value isn't defined by its grandeur, but by the heart and soul you pour into it. So chase it with wild abandon. Work hard and put your whole heart. Embrace every high with gratitude and every low with grit, for the world doesn't just need dreamers, it needs doers, believers who's audacious enough to turn the intangible into reality. As you stand on the cusp of what's next, remember, dreams are the universe's way of sowing seeds of potential within us. Water them with courage, tend to them with love, and watch as they reshape the landscape of the world. Dream boldly, my friend. Dream passionately, and most importantly, chase those dreams. The world awaits your brilliance. Thank you so much for being here today. Keep shining. If you think that this message would help somebody that you know, do share it with them. If you're new on this channel, you might consider subscribing, as I post daily content, motivational, inspirational, ancient wisdom, modern science, and a lot of guided meditations, mainly for self-transcendence and to help you live your life at your full potential. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.